Alexa, add chlorine to the jacuzzi.
Okay.
So you can see the lights on. And the pump's running right now. So I've got this ZIGBEE switch that's going to cause the 10 cc's to flow out of the pool hose right here. Here we have a chlorinating pump that I got on Amazon. And this pump just uses this hose and kind of puts a motion on this hose that actually activates the pump. The pump is driven by a power supply, and that power supply is powered by my home automation system. And then I have a light rigged down here to show us when the pump's running. Now the input to the pump is kind of running down this line, and there's a bottle there that is 12.5% chlorine in this bottle. So it comes up here, goes down, and then into the jacuzzi filter here. And to activate the pump, I have a Alexa app linked to it. And it ran for 10 milliliters of dose right there. Normally it takes about maybe 50 milliliters to sanitize a 360-gallon jacuzzi. Here's my automation using Home Assistant, and I'm running the dosing timer, running a ZIGBEE plug for about 18.5 seconds, and that will give me about 10 cc's of solution. The thing that is really important for these dosing pumps is that this tubing here fits this kind of pump mechanism, and you can look online and find a lot more about these dosing pumps. However, what I've discovered is this is real specialized tubing, and it may not be good for chlorine, so this application might not be good for these hoses. You might have to find a hose that works here. This hose, however, should support chlorine. And then my home automation is running the 18.5 seconds per 10 cc's. And then I'm putting that in an orbit box. Shock, that's 12.55. My orbit box is set up here. I've got it scribed on the pump where the correct position is for what I've calibrated my home automation system at. Had a drill bit just drilled down into the cap. I'm going to set my dose for 10 cc's, 10 milliliters, and that's going to be my basic dose. And then from there, my home automation will be able to dose automatically. Now, hitting this button, you can see the hose pulsating there, and it's delivering the dosage. You can see the little motor run on that thing. So it's going to run for 18.5 seconds.